Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If your Outlook inbox is flooded with spam or unwanted emails, don't worry. In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to block junk mail in Outlook so your inbox stays clean, safe, and stress-free. By the end of this video, you'll know how to permanently block annoying senders and stop junk emails for good, all in just a few simple steps. Let's dive in. First, open your browser and go to the official Microsoft 365 Outlook website. Sign in securely using your Microsoft account. Make sure you're on a trusted network and double check that the web address starts with outlook.office.com to keep your account safe. Once you're in, you'll land on your Outlook dashboard. Next, on the left sidebar, click on Mail to open your inbox. This is your main workspace for managing emails, from your important conversations to those spam messages you're about to eliminate. Now, look at the left-hand menu again and click on Junk Email. Here you'll find all the suspicious or unwanted messages that Outlook has filtered out automatically. Take a moment to review these. Sometimes a legitimate email might land here by mistake. Once you find a sender you never want to hear from again, right-click on that email. From the drop-down menu, select Block. This tells Outlook to completely stop any future messages from that address, so you'll never see them cluttering your inbox again. A small prompt will appear. Just click OK or Confirm to finalize it. That's it. From now on, any email from that sender will be automatically deleted or sent straight to the deleted items folder. You've officially taken control of your inbox. And there you have it. Your Outlook inbox is now cleaner, faster, and junk-free. If this video helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more easy tech guides, and drop a comment if there's another Outlook tip you'd like me to cover next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.